The markets in the day mostly bearish with the Nasdaq in bullish territory. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, Thursday, September 7th, 2017. And the only major indice in bullish territory today was tech stocks, Nasdaq up. Everybody else down, and small caps down the most, a quarter of a point. Bank slightly, oh, forget that. Financials down 1.73%. So keep your eyes on that. US dollar flat, crude oil down a fraction, but gold higher, silver higher, and the VIX virtually flat. Let's take a look here at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider and the SPY. Yesterday I didn't do a video. It's just an inside nothing trading day. Today too, but I thought, you know what? Let's do a video. Let's give you what you want. So that's what we're doing. So what's interesting here is we have these inside trading days. It's building a lot of power, gang. This is going to make a move, and it's going to be a pretty good size one. I could see a 200, 300, maybe a 400 point day fairly soon here in the market. So keep your eye on that. We're above all major moving averages here on the Spider, which is fairly good. If you go here to the diamonds, this is the fundamental problem with the diamonds. We are below a major trend line. That's bad news. And below the 20-day moving average. We have the 50-day moving average coming higher. We're pinching between this. This is very, very weak. Nasdaq did go higher. I'm not going to put a buy on it. Not yet, because we're below a major trend line. This trend line, I'm going to bring it to that high. Make sure it still makes sense. Perfect. It makes perfect sense. Now, I'm going to keep my sell on this. A lot of support underneath it. Did try to go higher, but it bounced up on really light volume. Small caps. This, I have been short small caps last few days, and we continue down. But what's interesting here is every time we go down, we get buyers down here at these lows. See the buyers down here at these lows? That's something I'm watching for. This thing could get bullish, could pop, but I have a sell on it. I'm going to remain in my sell as long as we stay below the 50-day moving average. If we pop higher, then I'm going to put a buy on that. Get out of the shorts, take my profits, and look to go long. However, this could get leaky. It could fall out of bed very, very quickly. Something to watch for. Small caps. Put a sell on that on the 5th. And it is financials, rather. Financials. Put a sell on that on the 5th. We come crashing down. It's in trouble. This is taking a lot of steam out of the markets, because the markets are only as strong as the financials they're supporting it. You know, I'm going to add a support line, see what this tells us. Doing this on the fly. Oh, we busted below it. Oh man, financials are toast. Oh, we closed below it. And the 200-day moving average. What a train wreck. What a train wreck. Big, big volume on the sell side. People do not want to be in financials right now. US dollar, call it a sell a few days ago, and we continue down, 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 down. Yesterday, we just had a big drop in the US dollar. Crude oil, put a buy on it back here on August 18th, and we're up, 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 and we keep rising. Gold, put a buy on it back here on the 16th. And we keep going higher. Gold is just out of control to the upside. Really, really strong. Silver, put a buy on it back here on the 16th. Up, 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 up. Very, very strong. VIX, a few days ago, put a buy on it. Starting to pull back here a little bit. So fear. Caught up in these moving averages. Expect a big move, guys. I just feel it here. I kind of feel it. Bitcoin, I put a buy on it back here on September 5th. We've been going up the last few days, but this is a big bearish pattern. So I'm looking for this to break down fairly soon, and I'll be ready to put a sell on that. Let's see, this one, got a buy on it. This, ooh, that's a bad sign. I'm gonna almost ready to put on Bitcoin on versus, boy, I'm almost ready to put a sell on that again. And I should do it, but I'm not going to. All right, let's look at some stocks of interest. Let's go, I don't know, we'll do the Dow 30. Dow 30, oh, that's Problem City. That's problem. That's a problem city right here. It's a bull pullback. I'm going to stay with my buy, but I don't like what's above it. I don't like what's above it. Let's see what happens next couple of days. I'm putting a sell on American Express. So that is a sell. I'm going to stay with my buy on Boeing, Caterpillar. Stay with my buy. Cisco, got a buy. Let's see, what do I want to do with this one? I'm going to stay with my buy. Stay with my buy. DuPont, oh, that's right. They did a merger, I believe. Got a sell on Disney. Disney just crashed and burned today. Just a huge. So my sell is still on Disney. GE had a buy. Now it's got to be a sell. There's my sell on GE. Goldman Sachs had a buy, and that broke down. That is a big time sell now. Home Depot, buy. Oh, this one I'm underwater on. IBM, I got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell. This one could burn me. Let's see what happens. Got a buy. I'm going to stay with my buy here on Intel. Johnson & Johnson, I got a buy on that one. I'm going to stay with it, but what a choppy mess it's been. JP Morgan, got a sell on it. But we have a rising 200-day moving average, so we could get a bounce there. We'll have to be watching that. But that short's so good. Wow, Coca-Cola, man, just continues higher. McDonald's continues higher. 3M. Boy, a little choppy here, but had a nice day today. Merck, big run, but I'm expecting this to start dropping soon, but my buy is still in place there. Microsoft up full percent today. Still good with this. We do have this resistance to be concerned with coming higher. Nike continues to bleed out. Pfizer up, but could be dropping soon. Procter Gamble up, nothing. TR, wow, look at this slide. Travelers just crush and burn. That's it. But things that drop fast tend to bounce fast, so we are watching for a reversal. UNH, you got a up. Almost stay with that. UTX drop, but we got a tweezer bottom. This could be ready to rock and roll, guys, to the upside. You got to watch that. Okay, Visa up and nice breakout, making these nice highs. Verizon down. Wow, that's a nasty looking chart. That is falling out of bed. Bad problems. Walmart popping up. This is a bull flag. This would get really bullish. And Exxon big pop here, and after a big drop, so it's working out nicely. You see how it almost this little double bottom. You know what, why we're here. Tech stocks. Oh, we already looked at this one. Okay. Yeah. So Amazon caught up in moving averages. You can see this right here. Baba coiling, bullish pennant, could get bullish. Cisco up, another bullish pennant. This thing could get bullish. What I call catfish, up. Not overly impressive, but look at this eBay. Called it a buy back here on the 30th, and boom, had a big day today, over 3%, almost 3.5% rally. Had resistance coming up. Facebook called it a buy on the 30th, also going higher. Google. A lot of choppiness, but look at this. This Google and Alphabet could start to release here. We got a nice close above the moving averages, but GoPro 12% big pop on news, and you can go look that up. But after I called the buy, went underwater a bit. Now is looking very, very good. Closed right at $10. Right at $10. Facebook, got a buy on it. We do have resistance. And NVIDIA, got a buy on it. Underwater on the, no, I'm not underwater on this one, but it's just under a little bit of pressure. This is very, very interesting. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Actually, what I'm going to do is add a sell to this. NVIDIA, not looking good to me. Oracle, got a buy on it. It's looking good. That was on the 30th. Did a lot of buys on the 30th. Priceline, also on the 30th. I'll stay with that. PayPal, it's in dangerous territory. Really dangerous, flirting with death. High base, it could go higher, but wow, this is a big time dangerous area. Red hat at resistance, guys, at resistance. I'm ready to put a sell. So close to putting a sell on Red Hat, but gotta do it when it happens. Snap went higher by more than 4%. Buy City, whoops, move that over. Buy City on Snap. Twitter up 2.3%, and that one is Buy City, reversing that. And there you have it. Bunch of stocks this time. If you like it, like it. Catch you guys later.